Namaste, Mata, Pita, Guru, Deva. Welcome back to Pine IT Edu Plus. Today's topic: strings in Python. String. A string is a sequence of characters. Strings can be created by enclosing characters inside a single quote or double quote. Even triple quotes can be used in Python but generally used to represent multi-line strings and docstrings. A string literal can span multiple lines, but there must be a backslash at the end of each line to escape the new line. String concatenation operator. Concatenation is done by plus operator. Concatenation is supported by sequence data types, string, list, tuple, etc. Concatenation is done between the same data types only. First one, string concatenation. String is an immutable sequence data type. Concatenating immutable sequence data types always results in a new object. Example 1. Strings are connected as they are and no space is added between the strings. Example 2. If we want space between two strings while concatenating, we either have to include a space in the string itself or concatenate the space. Method 2. Example 3. Concatenation between different data types. This will raise type error. Example 4. Using plus operator results in addition to int objects and concatenation in strings. Example 5. If the strings are placed next to each other without plus operator, this will result in a concatenation. The repetition operator star. Sequence data types, both the mutable and immutable, support a repetition operator. The repetition operator will make multiple copies of that particular object and combine them together. When star is used as an integer, it performs multiplication, but with list tuple of strings, it performs a repetition. Indexing and slicing. Indexing is the way of assigning some values to each character in a string, and it is used to obtain individual elements. And slicing is used to obtain a sequence of elements. str is the element beginning at start and extending up to but not including the end. Python strings are immutable, which means they cannot be changed after they are created. Since strings cannot be changed, we construct new strings as we go to represent computed values. We can access individual characters using indexing and a range of characters using slicing. Index starts from 0. Trying to access a character out of index range will raise an index error. Python allows negative indexing for its sequences. The index of -1 refers to the last item, -2 to the second last item, and so on. Why indexing and slicing? Indexing and slicing in Python is a feature that enables accessing parts of sequences like strings, tuples, and lists. You can also use them to modify or delete the items of mutable sequences such as lists. Membership checking in operator. It checks whether the value is present in the sequence of data or not. It evaluates to true values if the element is present in the sequence and to false value if the element is absent from the sequence. Example: not in operator. This operator checks for the absence of a value in a sequence. This is the exact opposite of the in operator. It evaluates to true when the element is not found or absent from the sequence and returns false when the element is found in the data sequence. The element to be searched for its left operand and the sequence in which it is searched for is the right hand operand. Example: string functions. String functions are used in computer programming languages to manipulate a string or query information about a string. Most programming languages that have a string data type will have some string functions, although there may be other low-level ways within each language to handle strings directly. Comment. A comment is a piece of code that is not run. In Python, you make something a comment by putting a hash in front of it. A hash comments everything after it in the line and nothing before it. Example is given. Use of commenting. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. String formatting operator. String formatting is also known as string interpolation. It is the process of inserting a custom string or variable in predefined text. The percentage operator takes a print type format string on the left and the matching values in a tuple on the right. A tuple is made of values separated by commas, typically grouped inside parentheses. Format. Purpose of formatting. Format gives you great flexibility over the output of the string in a way that easier to read, write and maintain than just using plain old concatenation. Additionally, it's easier to get culture concerns right with the string. Example: looping through each character of a string. Using a for loop to print the index and character of a string. Looping through a string in reverse order. Using a while loop to iterate over a string. String concatenation inside a loop. Finding the number of occurrences of a substring in a string using a loop. Looping through a list of strings. Palindrome checker without using a function. String compression. This program compresses a string such that consecutive repeating characters are replaced by the character and the number of occurrences. Anagram checker without using a function. Character frequency counter. Word frequency counter. Case sensitive. String rotation checker. Vowel checker. That's all for today. We hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful. Detailed PDF notes available. Pay just ₹49. Share the screenshot with video name and we will send you the notes. Google Pay number is given below. We are also providing online and offline classes on Oracle or MySQL SQL, PLSQL, Python Basics, and Python Advanced on all days from 4 am to 10 pm. For more details, please contact Mrs. Shantu Dinesh +91 9747 006133. She will be available on WhatsApp also. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Your support means the world to us. For more videos and tutorials, please visit our channel Pine IT Edu Plus and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Bye.